Hey guys, this is week 5 for Bombs Away. This is Dan Fornace. Talk a little bit about the progress I made this week. This week there were two major things that I had to do. The first was updating the bot with the textured version that Steve and Owen had done, and then actually getting the player to be able to choose a texture. And then the second was getting the menu functionality to work. So first I'll show you the textured bots. As with last week, you can swap out the bots for any which way, and they're the updated versions, but now they also can change the color, yay! So this was not too bad updating the bots. I mean, it's the same process, but I did hit a snag with the textures, because the way that Unity handles materials, it was super annoying to find out which texture was where based off its order. So eventually what I figured out is that depending on which object, like hat 1, hat 2, I could change the index that was being changed, so I could actually tell the program that if it's hat choice 1, then change the first color, if it's hat choice 2, change the second. And then I went ahead and did that for each of the objects. So all this means is that once we add in more, I think we're going to go up to 10, each one will have to know what its index is and how to get it. But that shouldn't be too bad. It was a little bit of hard coding to get around Unity's problem. Alright, so the second thing for the week was the menu functionality. So I talked to James before, and we decided it'd be cool to do a kind of camera moving to do the menus. So how I have it now is when you select something, the camera will go to the different areas. This menu I built, once we put it in, we'll actually be able to change the words on the textures to be whatever options we want. And then we can store these as global variables, so they will stay. And then the credits is just a simple texture as well with back button. Yeah, so then the final thing for the week was getting this bot and with his textures and the menus integrated with JP's engine, which we actually did get to work. So once you pick your bot, this would be like the placeholder for the bot creation screen. When you go into the game, small here, but this is the bot that I created. Go by the yellow crown or yellow hat, and then I can go back and I can mix them up again, and this time I'm the red D. So yeah, going into next week, we'll be creating more menus. I think I'm going to do the robot saving, loading, and creation. So for the bot that you actually create, I think I'm going to have the menu start here. You hit play, it says save or load a bot, and then you edit this this robot to create your guy. And then once you're done, you can go into the game from there. So there'll be a couple more screens over here on this side. But yes, the menu setup so far, the lights, and that's Bombs Away for week 5.